Well, back here at home, if you're waiting to get your second dose of the COVID vaccine, be aware that you might experience more side effects this time around.
Channel 5's Monica de Anda with what those side effects are as people get ready to receive their second shot tomorrow.
Thousands across the valley have received the COVID-19 vaccine, but for all of those thousands, the second dose is just as important as the first.
The data suggests that the amount of immunity and the length of immunity depends upon receiving the second dose.
The CDC, FDA, and top health experts agree 2 doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine are needed to get maximum protection. And according to the FDA, more people reported experiencing side effects after receiving the second dose than after the first dose of either vaccine.
They both work through the same mechanism, which is by the messenger RNA is instructing our cells to make the proteins, the antibodies that are needed in order to fight this virus.
It hit me pretty good. I noticed it. Let's say that, some weakness, muscle aches, a pretty bad headache, very typical of like flu-like symptoms. The study showed that in age groups 18 to 55, the vast majority of them had muscle aches, fevers, chills, didn't feel well for a couple hours, but then it went away.
DHR's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Robert Martinez, says people shouldn't worry if they experience side effects after the second dose.
It's a sign that your body is actually working with the vaccine to get you an immunity level, right? And so your body's reacting and working well with the vaccine exactly the way it's supposed to.
And if you don't experience any side effects from either dose, Martinez says that's perfectly fine too.
Some people, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Older, younger, you name it, nothing. And so it's just, we don't ever know. It's just people's bodies and the way they react, depending on where their immune system is.
Side effects shouldn't last more than a day or two. But if they do, Dr. Martinez says you should seek medical attention. Monica de Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.